Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paychex for 1099 NEC reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Paychex for 1099 NEC reporting, begin by logging into your Paychex account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the payroll section in the menu. Click on payroll and then select tax reporting options. In the tax reporting options, find the 1099. Enable the 1099 NEC reporting option by toggling the switch. Review any prompts that provide information on the 1099 NEC form. Next, input any necessary company information, including your business name and EIN. Add your contractor's information, ensuring all details are accurate. Double-check the reporting year to confirm it aligns with your needs. Select the payment methods used for the services your contractors provided. Set the thresholds for payments. Typically, you'll report if you paid a contractor $600 or more in the year. Once all information is entered and reviewed, click on the Save button to finalize activation. After saving, you'll be directed back to the tax reporting options page. Here, confirm that the 1099 NEC option is active by checking the status. To generate your 1099 NEC forms, go back to the payroll section. Look for the 1099 Forms option within the same section. Follow the prompts to run a report for the relevant tax year. Review the generated forms for accuracy. Finally, download or print the forms as needed for distribution to your contractors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.